can't watch it. Stay gross.
Oh, you got it. All right, guys, let's get smashing. Ew.
Yuck, yuck. Get that away from me.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel, where every video we take these two girls and we open boys' toys with them and see if boy toys are awesome or if they're just gross and not for them. So today, we've got this huge box. Lou sent it to us, and it has got Pop-Pops. Now, as you see, there are two different colors. There are, can't even see it, this box is so big. All right, so there's these ones, which are the Pop-Pops, Snots, Snots. These are Snots, right? Yep. And then these ones over here in this color are the Pop-Pop Pets. Now, we've decided that the Pop-Pop Pets, to us, seem like girl toys, and the Snots seem like boy toys, right? Is that what you girls decided?
Yeah.
So, today we are gonna open the Pop-Pop Snots and see if these girls like them or if they're too snotty.
Achoo.
Yeah. And then on Madison's channel, probably in a couple days, we're gonna open the pets. So if you guys wanna see more of this, check out Madison's channel.
Alright guys, let's get them out of the box.
Alright guys, so inside the box, we have this awesome platform here which we can smash everything on. And then we have the Snots hammer. Now this hammer we are going to use on Madison's video because this thing is super awesome. We've seen it at Toy Fair. So we're gonna open this all up and then we're gonna start smashing some Snots.
Oh yeah,
All right guys, so we got everything opened up. We've got the slammer hammer. So which one of you girls is gonna open this first?
Oh, I know, Dad.
What?
How about you go, because we always get to do some stuff. Yeah.
I like that idea. Sound good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, I guess you have to hit it harder.
Okay, let's try that again.
All right, ready?
Woo!
Ew!
You turn on the witch.
I don't know if you guys know, but we have Halloween decorations up right now and our witch out there just activated. All right, look what I got. I got some green
No
slime.
animals. No animals.
Wait, he did get something inside. What is it?
I don't know. He's like a
Glow in the dark.
glow-in-the-dark snot guy. Oh, it's a antenna? Like a satellite dish?
Like a satellite dish, huh?
Yep.
Okay,
Blech,
I know what
blech.
I want to trash.
All right, guys. Well, I got one, so now we're gonna let Trin go. Ready? Okay, which one are you going for?
I'm going for this one.
That one? Okay, get him.
Ah!
Hold it. Woo!
Again.
Go show him, Mom. All right, so there's the little guy that Trinity just got.
What is it?
Ooh.
And she got, orange slime.
Ew, I can't watch it. It's too gross. I love slime.
Oh man. All right, so next up is Madison. Which one are you going for?
This one right
there.
here.
Okay, let me move these away a little
I
bit.
see a guy in
Okay.
there.
Now, we might hear the ghost, the witch, every time. We'll see.
Who said a ghost?
Okay.
She's a little reckless with that.
Whoa, whoa, that's just a table. That's just a table. Okay, go, get it.
Wow.
Oh, you got it.
Did you get it?
Ew, let's see what she got.
Finally, the witch didn't turn on.
It's
She
like,
didn't.
it's, I'll put it down by this one.
Wait.
But it's like
a little
miniature
car.
Oh.
It reminds me of Mike Wazowski and his car.
Mike Wazowski. Ew, Madison slime.
Madison, look at that.
Ew, here.
Gooey gooey. Oh no, come on.
Here, we'll put it up
That
with mine.
slime is like wet. That's
Okay.
water slime.
Water slime.
We're gonna make 2 piles of slime with all this stuff, you guys. We're gonna have a bunch of green and a bunch of orange, and then I'll show you guys what you can do with the slime when we have a bunch of it. What?
That slime is water slime.
Water slime?
Just feel it. See, it has like
Ew.
water to it.
Ew. All right.
Water. Ugh.
All right, guys. Let's get smashing.
And go. Eee.
One more.
Oh, wait.
All right, now we gotta find all of our slime
I
creatures.
got a slime.
Help me find all the slime
I
guys.
got a creature. What is it?
Ooh, that blue one looks cool.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, gotta get all the slime creatures and all the slime.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Madison is not a fan of the wet slime.
Ew, ew, ew. Get the slime out, Madison. Ew.
Please.
Ew.
Correct.
Did you find any more guys?
No.
Come on, find the guys.
Ah! Yuck, yuck. Get that away from me.
Alright guys, so we've got all the green slime out. Now we've got to do the orange ones. But this hammer also lets you do some other stuff. We can either put it in one part of the hammer, which has got
slime.
2 sections, so you can put both colors, or there's something else. Do you want me to show you the something else?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see if this works. Should be able to suck it up. Okay, ready?
Ooh.
Never tried this. Excuse me.
Oh.
Look at that. It's just like sucking up the moon.
It sounds so cool.
Ah. Okay, watch this.
Whoa.
Dad, push it back up. Push it. Push it up. Dad, push it back up so it can come out.
Oh.
Ew.
Now that looks like Snots to me.
Because it's dripping from my nose.
Ew.
A paper.
Gross.
All right, let's do some orange ones. Girls, who wants to smash orange? Both of you, huh? Okay. Here,
Yes.
Madison.
Oh, Nelly.
Okay.
Look at all of these.
Well, I know which one I want to
Okay, wait,
smash.
here, you can go ahead and just smash away, girls. Smash away. Okay, get another one. Whoa, you better watch your
Yeah,
fingers
watch your
there.
fingers.
Just smashing them away.
All right, get this one. Woo! Hey, get that one. All right, we better let Trinity have some tries here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Madison, you are crazy. All right, Trin, are you ready?
I am. Ew, ew, ew.
Got hit off with the net.
Ew!
Woo!
What is
Get him, get him. Get him. Get him harder. Harder.
Still got a couple more.
All right.
I'm squishing out all the ooze. And I'm done. All right, I got some orange slime. Who
Okay,
wants to
make a
take
big pile of orange slime. Let's get all these guys
it?
out.
Ew, 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 ew,
Ah.
ew, ew.
Oh, man.
All right, we're gonna clean up this slime into 2 good little piles and we'll be right back.
All right, guys, we're back.
All right, guys, we're back and here's our 2 different slimes. We got orange and green. And here's all the cool little dudes that we got.
Oh, yes. These
Mom.
guys.
So here's all our cool little dudes that we got. Busting up the slime bubbles. Pop Snots.
Pop Snotz.
Now what do we do, Madison?
Dad, show us where you can store the little creatures.
What do you mean store the creatures?
In here, Dad.
Oh, all right.
Mom,
What?
Here's some creatures
I
starting
just
to load
saw
up.
that we had 2 sharks.
We
Two
do.
blue sharks.
We have twins.
Twins.
Right there. We love twins. Oh, look at what Trin's doing.
Put the 2 twins next to each other. I think
Right.
the car and the baby are glow in the dark ones.
Okay, we'll
And
put the
this
sharks next to each other for you, Madison. Boom, boom.
Yay.
Oh, perfect
We have
amount.
just enough. Look at that.
Perfect.
Bam. Now we gotta fill it back up with snot. Oh, wait. Put the snot in the end of the hammer.
Yes. Store it in
I
there.
got the green. I got the
And look, there's 2
orange.
different sides.
Ew, 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 ew.
Boom.
That way they
And-
can stay
Whoa!
Oh, don't mix
What were
them.
you saying, Mom? They can stay what?
Separated.
Separated. Oh, man.
All right, guys.
Go ahead, Madison.
We have the slime in there.
We
I
do.
didn't know that.
All right, so we got some orange and we got some green. But I left some green out just so we could suck it back up because that was kind of cool.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
The guys are coming out.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Oh, all of it. Okay, so now we've got all the slime stuck in a hammer.
Except for some orange.
Except for some orange.
All right, now we gotta take a picture. Ready?
Yeah.
And, all right, ready for the picture, girls? Go. Ah! And we're done. All right, guys, so we've got everything put in their containers here in the Slammer Hammer. And we got a bunch more stuff, but do you guys want to open them or are they just gross boy toys?
I love them. Let's open them.
Madison? You're not into slime?
They're disgusting. They're water toys. Jeez.
Madison doesn't like anything getting her fingers icky. She's our little princess, huh? All right, guys, well, thanks a ton for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up.
Click that subscribe
Notifications. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Pop, pop.